How to fix social button not working on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store and search for TikTok. Now tap on TikTok and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now keep holding the TikTok icon and tap on App Info. Now go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. If this doesn't fix the issue, go back to your home screen and open up Play Store again. Now tap on Uninstall and reinstall the application. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a warning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.